Now, who is gonna tell me this is not my natural hair? Do you see the texture? Do you see the blend? Who's gonna tell us? Do you see this? The body? I've been missing out on VPartWigs, but I finally caught up, and you will too. How cute is this hair? I'm going to show you guys the whole process of me unboxing, what it looks like in its natural state, and then after I washed it and how I installed it. So if this is for you, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new hair. Let's get into it. Okay, but the packaging definitely gets an A for presentation. A special thank you to UNICE Hair for sponsoring this week's video. I'd like to show you guys exactly what you'll receive once you get your unit. So this is the hair. I'm going to open this in just a minute. I'm also seeing a wig cap. This looks like 2 wig caps inside of this, and I love the tone. I love the color of the cap. This is another wig cap with a headband as needed. It also came with press-on nails, which I'm very impressed by. I'll test it out to see what that's like, but that was nice. That was thoughtful. I like that. I'm also seeing this beautiful silk bag. This is to store the unit once you take it off. It's very silky, big enough to fit the hair. This unit comes with 4 clips on top and 1 in the middle for that extra hold. I just love the grip of this cap. It also has 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as needed. And although there's no smell to this unit, I like to always wash my hair before I put them on my head. Today I'll be washing with my Tresemme 24 Hours Volume Shampoo and Conditioner, just to make sure my hair is nice and clean. When I'm done washing, I just like to go through with my argan oil just to give it back that luster and that sheen that it had. And guys, next to this wig, the robe is my favorite part of the package. So I did get the Kinky Straight VPartWig. It is 24 inches long with a 150% density. Now I love the fact that the density is 150 because I feel like because it's straight here, I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to have that natural effect. And so with this density, I'm able to run my fingers through it. It looks natural. It looks like it's growing from my head. And I also love the fact that this is a low luster here. It doesn't have that shiny and silky look. It looks more natural, so much more realistic. I didn't notice any shedding with this hair. The ends look very healthy. The quality of this hair is A+. Alright guys, so I just washed and blow dried my hair. The bonus is that kinky texture is basically the same texture as my natural hair. So this is my natural hair. I know it's gonna blend very well. So let me just start off. I'm gonna do with my comb, I'm gonna do my V part because I'm gonna have my leave out. I'm not even good at doing braids, so please, I'm just doing like some big fat braids in my hair. So as long as the hair is flat, that's all I need. I'm not good at braiding at all. And guys, when I tell you this hair is beginner friendly, it's not an exaggeration. I am not good at doing hair at all. I cannot braid to save my life. I can plait, but braiding, not that much. So I was able to just get my hair braided enough just to get the unit to really hold firm. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to stick the clips in. Very easy. Stick it in and just snap it in. And that's it. So this is what it looks like, and even I was able to get this to hold without braiding skills or anything. I got this to hold. It looks so nice and flat. It looks just like a sewing would. I'm so proud of myself. I did it. This hair is so beautiful in its natural state. I could just wear it just like this. It is so soft. My fingers run right through it. I am obsessed with this hair. I can't stop touching it. Now, although I could wear this in its natural state, and I would love to, I'm gonna try to straighten this hair to see what it looks like. Not bone straight, but straight enough to be realistic. Using my Infinity Pro by Conair flat iron, so it's not even the top notch of flat irons, and this is what it looks like with one go. With one go. This hair is it. This hair is it. It's straightened so easy. That's just with one go. Now I do go over it twice, but this hair with this flat iron, I can't imagine what it would look like with a stronger quality flat iron. Like I said before, guys, who's gonna tell me this is not my hair? Who's gonna tell me this is my hair? Yes. My goal for this hair is to have that 1B type of straight where it's very straight but it has that subtle wave to it, just so it straightens and looks exactly like my natural hair would if I straightened it. Now, without even applying heat to my natural hair, I'm already getting my hair to blend with this hair. Oh my god, I'm addicted already. Like, my hair is blending without heat. I'm gonna add layers to frame my face to give it that extra razzle dazzle, the icing on top. I just love the way my hair is already blending. I did not even flat iron my natural hair yet, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited about this hair. Run, don't walk, but run to get this unit. This UNICE Hair, they did their thing with this one. VPart Hair is definitely making a comeback. It's so easy. It's gonna be my go-to hair when I just don't feel like doing anything, because it's that easy, it's that simple. It didn't take much for me to install this hair, and now my hair just looks salon ready, and I did it by myself. I am so proud. Yes. Alright guys, so I just straightened it. Oof, look at that. I did a couple of goes with the straightening. Wasn't too bad. For the cap size, I feel like I could have used a small, but I feel like it's better to go bigger than too small. So, I mean, I love it. It's so easy. It blends really well with my natural hair. So I wanted to see what this unit looks like with my wand curls, and it is holding the curls pretty good. I curled it this morning and it's now 4:30 and the curls are still here, so it's doing good. And that is it from me today, guys. I want to thank you again so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment and let me know what you guys think of this unit. And again, I will be linking all the information to this wig in my description, and I'll see you guys next time.